Liberal senators have attempted to present Sotomayor as nearly the equivalent of conservatives on the current court. Chuck Schumer said that she is the very picture of judicial modesty. Dick Durbin called her moderate, restrained, and neutral. Meanwhile, Pat Leahy depicted her record as showing a deep respect for judicial precedent. Despite all the smoke and mirrors employed here, this is a decidedly liberal judge, one steeped in the Latino nationalism of the Puerto Rican Legal Defense Fund, one who evokes racial exceptionalism and supports racial preferences. It is this nominee who now seeks to remake herself before our very eyes. The choreographed judicial circus that is the confirmation proceedings is most nausea-inducing when one remembers that the same Democratic senators now posturing in regard to Sotomayor's compelling background of hardship are the very same political clowns that rallied to deny Miguel Estrada a Court of Appeals judgeship.
That was a clip of our very own Joe Hicks explaining how Sonia Sotomayor's confirmation process is like most previous Supreme Court nomination hearings, nothing short of a dog and pony show. You can find all of Joe's commentary in The Hicks File, Notes from a Former Leftist at pjtv.com. While you're there, be sure to learn about Capitol Hill's new customizable credit card. For those who haven't already received a bailout, Sonia Schmidt's got all the info for you on her new Left Exposed. For PJTV, I'm Alan Barton, reminding you to click now and click often.